Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we got a new video on my 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback. Today we're going to be installing these new Lasfit turn signals. We're going to be replacing those turn signals on the Civic, and these are going to be much brighter than the OEM ones. So I'm excited to see how they turn out. Let's get right into it. So first off, you're going to want to remove the screws, the two screws on the side of your taillight once you open up your trunk. So we're going to go ahead and remove those. Now that the screws are out, it's a little bit loose, but there are some clips on the back. And then here are the clips right there, that white one, and then the one that's gray is also a white one. It's just a little cover came out with it. So those do pop out. You just have to give it a little push and it will pop out. And then here's our old amber bulb that we pulled out, and we're going to be replacing it with one of these Lasfit ones. So there we go, we got the Lasfit bulb installed into the slot, plugged it back into the spot, and make sure it's tight, and go ahead and plug everything back in. It's just one little plug right there. And once that snaps into place, go ahead and test it and see if it works. Anyway, here we go. We are showing how bright it is during the day. Those are the Lasfit ones. Look how freaking bright that is. So that's very visible. And then the right side you can see is a lot less bright. But that's fine. We're going to be switching it out with the Lasfit one as well. So go ahead and pull it out. And just so you know, in case you're having trouble finding the right bulb, you can always line it up and look behind and then pull out the amber bulb. And it actually does say amber on the little plug itself right there. So if you see amber, it is going to be the turn signal. So go ahead and remove that, and we will go ahead and install our new Lasfit bulb. Alright, pull out your old amber bulb and go ahead and put in that new Lasfit LED light. Once everything is working and you tested it, go ahead and bolt everything back down. This is a very easy install, actually. I mean, it's just pulling out your taillights real quick, switching out some bulbs, and putting them back on. So don't over tighten it, just tight enough for it to stay there, and make sure it's all lined up correctly. The hatchback gets kind of weird with that. So here's a nighttime clip of the LED bulbs now. It's just crazy bright. And hopefully, if you use your turn signals out there, no one's gonna hit you. So I think this way it's a lot safer to use Lasfit LED bulbs, and especially for your turn signals. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like down below. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you're new here and you want to see more content on the Civic. Also, the link to these Lasfit LED bulbs are down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. And you will get 10% off with code REVOLVE10. So make sure to take advantage of that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.